Alright, now we're in Basketball Excel 2 Sports Day. First they want you to make sure that you're in the basketball worksheet, then enter the following data. I'm going to do that real quick, pause the video if needed, and I'll be right back. After you get your information on, you're going to highlight cells A through A1 through G1. Hold your control key, this will let you do multiple selections, and go to A10 through G10. I want you to bold and underline. After that, we need to set the columns width. This one needs to be 8. Mine were already set previously. And these ones need to be 6. Now highlight cells B1 through G8. Here you'll select center up here under alignment group. Now to D2, put in the equation B2 divided by C2, click enter, and then paste this formula, copy, Control C, Control V to paste, into G2. After that, I want you to use that fill and drag it down all the way to G8. After that, go to B10 and AutoSum. This will automatically grab all these numbers, and if you click enter, it'll sum them up. After that, I want you to copy to C10, E10, and F10. Now we will copy from D8 into D10 and from G8 into G10. You can ignore these errors if you get any. Highlight cells B10 through G10 and click the center button once again. And then highlight cells B2 to D10, G2 to G10, and then you'll click on the percent button up here, and then click increase decimal right here. And then you should end up with numbers that look like this. Now highlight A2 through A8, then hold Control and do G2, D2 through D8. After that, click the Insert tab, then find your 3D cluster column. I clicked on the button up here and clicked on the cluster column. After that, click the plus button, enter, keep your data labels on there, and then change the name to field goal percent. Then move the graph down to here. Then, once you have it there, you'll grab the edge and pull it to the edge of column J. Then you should click on the bars. As you can see, they are all selected. If you click on it again, it'll select the bar individually. Right click, fill, and then choose a fill of your choice. Then you will have to fill all the colors, and I'll be back after I do that. After you give everything a color, you're going to go to Format, and you're going to give your table a border. After this, you're going to, again, select A2 through A8, then you're going to hold Control and select G2 through G8, click Insert, and insert another 3D cluster column. I'm going to, again, drag this over to the edge of J. We're going to change all the colors again after adding data labels. this free throw percent. After this, you will go back up. If you scroll down, right click on the number one row, insert to add a new row. On this row, we are going to select A1 through G1, merge and center, changing the font to 18, and then choosing a fill color. I'm going to choose just gray. After that, you're going to add a thick outside border. Then, and this will be called, what will this be called? Basketball. After that, you will go into insert, header and footer, go to footer, and you'll put in your name, Excel to basketball, your block, and your date. Click down at the bottom right to go back to normal view. Then you will insert a relevant graphic, and then you'll be done with that bit. It also wants to show you that if you select a table, you could go to sort A through Z, and then your graphs will also match that change. As you can see, Bill is down front when previously it was Larry. And that would be all for basketball.